In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed ClickUp in Notion. Whether you're an experienced project manager or simply trying to keep your workflow smooth, integrating ClickUp with Notion can bring a whole new level of efficiency to your workspace. It allows you to view all your tasks and manage your projects right within Notion, making task management easier and more centralized. Let's dive right into it. First, open up ClickUp. You'll want to go to your specific list within your workspace. If you're not already familiar with navigating ClickUp, head over to your team management plan or whatever specific space you use. This is where you'll find the list that you want to embed into Notion. Once you're there, look for the three little dots. They're usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on these dots will give you a drop-down menu. This menu is where all the magic happens. You'll find the option for Sharing and Permissions. Click on that to proceed. Now you should see a Copy Link option. Essentially, by copying this link, you're granting access to the view of your selected ClickUp list. It's just like sharing a document with someone, but this time you'll be sharing it with Notion. So go ahead, click on Copy Link, and keep that link handy for the next steps. The next step in our integration process is to move over to Notion. Open up the Notion page where you want to embed your ClickUp list. It might be a project overview, a workspace dashboard, or any page where you wish to integrate this data. Once you're on your desired page, simply paste the link we previously copied from ClickUp. After pasting, you'll notice an option that appears just below the pasted link that says Embed. This is Notion checking if you want to directly integrate this external link into your workspace. Click on the Embed button. What happens here is that Notion will pull in a view of your ClickUp list, turning your pasted link into a fully functional embedded page within your Notion document. And there you have it. ClickUp is successfully embedded in Notion. You can now manipulate and interact with your ClickUp data straight from your Notion page, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your productivity. By embedding ClickUp into Notion, you've centralized your task management system, which can significantly save you time and allow for better organization. I'm sure you'll find this integration highly effective in maintaining a seamless workflow. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more productivity tips. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.